The water's draining clear now.
All right, I'm starting on these pipes overhead. Watch for falling debris.